Hi, my name is Aditya Siddhartha and I am from Tribly department. I am here to explain about principle of disaster management from disaster management. First of all, terminology. Disaster, emergency, multi-casualty incident, major incident, mass crowd event, pandemic or epidemic, hazard or risk. Disaster definition. There is no generally accepted definition of disasters. According to a dictionary, a sudden calamitous event producing great material damage, loss, and distress. Commonalities and ideas are more important than strict wording. EMA definition. Disaster: a serious disruption to community life which threatens or causes death or injury in that community and damage to property which is beyond the day to day capacity of the prescribed statutory authorities and which requires special mobilization and organization of resources other than those normally available to those authorities. Types of disasters. All disasters are related to specific hazards and hazards may be categorized. 1. Natural. 2. Mixed, natural and man-made. Third one, man-made. Natural disasters. Guidelines for evaluation and research in Udstein style. These natural disasters are seismic and climatic. First, seismic: earthquake, volcanic eruption, tsunami, celestial collision. And second, climatic: high winds, gale, storm, cyclones, tornado, precipitation, rain, snow, ice, lightning, fire, temperature extremes, hot and cold, erosion, drought, desertification, floods, avalanches. Mixed, natural plus human caused. Drought, desertification, floods, erosion, landslides or mudslides, fire, health related, infectious disease, genetic and other. Man-made, which are human caused. Technological: release of substances, chemical, biological and nuclear. Transport, structural failure, explosions, fire, environmental interference, other. Conflict: armed conflict, conventional war, armed conflict or civil conflict, complex human emergency, terrorism, other. Unarmed conflict: sanctions and embargoes. Disaster epidemiology. In the past 50 years, more than 10,000 disasters are reported. More than 5 billion people affected. More than 12 million persons killed. Economic costs are more than 4 trillion US dollars. Disasters in history. It won't happen again, will it? 1918 flu pandemic killed between 20 and 40 million, more than World War I. 1912 Titanic sank, killing 1400. 1887, Yellow River in China flooded, killing 9 lakh with another million, dying from famine and disease. In 1666, Great Fire of London lasted 4 days and destroyed 80% of London's buildings. AD 79, Vesuvius erupts, killing 20,000 in Pompeii. The Great Flood in Bible, Genesis. January 2006, January 2, Sago, 13 coal miners were trapped in Sago mine. 12 died and 1 survived. January 2, Bad Reichenhall, Germany. A heavy snowfall caused the roof of an ice skating rink to collapse, killing 15. January 4, Sijeruk, Indonesia. A mudslide buried 200 homes and killed at least 200 people. January 5th, Makkah, Saudi Arabia. A hotel collapsed in Makkah, killing at least 76 pilgrims on annual Hajj. January 12th, Makkah, Saudi Arabia. A stampede by pilgrims on annual Hajj killed at least 360. January 20, Northern Hungary. A Slovak military plane, AN-24, en route to Slovakia from Kosovo crashed soon after taking off, killing 43, most of them Slovak soldiers. Jan 23, Bios, Montenegro. A train derailed and plunged into Morocco Canyon, killing 46 and injuring 90. Jan 28, Katowice, Poland. 67 people died from the collapse of roof of the International Exhibition Hall. There had been 500 people inside at a time. And here comes Corona in 2020, and the death count was still going on. The disaster frequency, as we can see here, increases as the time increases, as the time passes. Are disasters increasing? According to the reports, they have been increasing exponentially. Improved reporting, increased population and density, cities in high-risk areas, global warming, armed conflict, economic stress, increased technologies were main reasons. Cost of disasters: human costs, economic costs like death, injuries, illness, loss and grief; actual costs, intangible costs. Human cost: medical, public health, sanitation, shelter, clothing, food, energy supplies, search and rescue, public works and engineering, environment, logistics, transport, security, communication, economy, education. Community expectations. Community expectations are increasing. There is an expectation that we'll cope with an event to a level and standard we expect in daily emergencies. Plenty of opinions, loudly expressed with little knowledge. Managing the subsequent inquiry. Disaster management. Disaster concept: a prepared community. Risk management approach, all agencies approach, all hazards approach, comprehensive approach. Conceptual model of disaster medicine. Prepared community. Prepared community is one which has developed effective emergency and disaster management arrangements at the local level, resulting in alert, informed, and active community which supports its voluntary organizations. Active and involved local government, agreed and coordinated arrangement in PPRR. Individual and community self help often provide the most effective and decisive immediate relief. Affected communities turn first to local agencies for advice, assistance, support. Local government and organizations provide basis for organizing self help, as shown in figure at Bhuj, Gujarat State, India, 25th January 2001. Thank you.